Hi, boys and girls. I'm going to read the assignment for you. This assignment is Social Studies Consequences. Please remember to type your first and last name. The first one says, Kim runs out of her classroom without permission. Please decide if she will have a positive consequence or a negative consequence. The next one, Jim does his chores after school. Will Jim have a positive consequence or a negative consequence? Justin took the ball from Beth without permission. Will he have a positive consequence or a negative consequence? James watched TV instead of doing his homework. Will James have positive consequence or a negative consequence? Max helped the teacher after class. Will he have a positive consequence or a negative consequence? Make sure you click submit when you are finished.